Make party punch. One of the best ways to spice up a party is to come up with delicious drinks for your guests. One of the most common drinks during parties is a delicious bowl of fruit punch. This party staple, though often served in parties, should not be taken for granted. Though seemingly easy to prepare, it takes a certain mix of ingredients to make party punch that is delicious and will be enjoyed by your guests. Here are steps on how to make an easy and delightful refreshment. Get your ingredients ready. You will need a quart of cherry or strawberry punch, a quart of ginger ale, 2 cans of pineapple juice, fresh berries, a large punch bowl, a ladle, mixing spoons and lots of ice. Prepare more than your estimated amount so you won't run out. Mix the berries first. Choose between using cherries or strawberries and mix their juice with the fruits. Before putting in the fresh berries, you may slice them so you can have more bits in your punch. You may choose to use both the fresh cherries and strawberries, but pick only one flavor for the juice so your punch will taste delicious. Mix completely. Add the remaining ingredients. Take your pineapple juice and slowly pour into the punch bowl while stirring. If you don't like your punch to be too sour, lessen the pineapple juice. Remember that the ice will melt into the punch and will probably dilute the flavors, so don't make the taste too mild. Stir the contents completely and add enough ice cubes to chill the whole bowl. Add the ginger ale after you have added the ice, and continue stirring until all ingredients have mixed together. Serve cold in punch glasses. Now your fruit punch is ready, you can serve it to your guests. When you are scooping the punch into the glasses, make sure that you include the berries and some ice into it so your guests can fully enjoy the punch that you have prepared. To add to the effect, you can rinse fresh berries and place them in a bowl beside the punch bowl. If your guests wish to add fruits to their punch, they can do so. Add a pair of tongs beside the fresh berries so they can easily add this into their drink. It is also best to leave a bucket of ice near the punch bowl so your guests will enjoy their punch ice cold all the time. If you are holding an all-adults party, you may spike the fruit punch with a bit of rum or vodka, to add a bit of spice to your drinks. Make sure that you inform your guests that the punch is spiked so they can drink responsibly. You can also leave a bottle of iced vodka beside your punch bowl so they can add the alcohol on their own. If you find that your fruit punch is too sweet, add a bit of cold water or more ice into the mix. Make sure that your punch bowl is refilled at all times, and always fill it with ice so it is always refreshingly cold.